How to see if someone reported you on Roblox. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we're going to determine if someone has reported you on Roblox, so it is essential to pay attention to certain indicators within the platform. When you access your Roblox account and do not encounter any notifications suggesting a ban or any disruptive activities, it indicates that as of now, no reports have been made against your account. So the process of identifying a specific user who might have reported you on Roblox is not straightforward. However, indications that you may have been reported may surface when you attempt to log into your Roblox account and receive a message stating that you have been logged out of the session or have been banned for a day. Such instances signal that someone has indeed taken against your account, and additionally, you might also receive an email notification in your registered email address of your Roblox account about the ban or the suspension of your account. So this email notification serves as a confirmation that your report has been filed, although it does not disclose the identity of the individual who made the report. So by being aware of these potential signs and notifications within the Roblox platform, you can stay informed about any reports made against your account and take necessary actions accordingly. So thank you for exploring this information, and we appreciate your interest in staying updated on this matter. So if you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.